is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products or services online in return for a sales commission from them as a thank you for finding them a new customer. Many of the world's largest brands have affiliate programs such as Amazon, eBay, and Virgin. You simply need to choose products or services you like and ideally have used or purchased so you feel happy to recommend them, and then sign up to the retailer's affiliate program. When you sign up, you will get a unique ID and referral link which you can then share to others. There are many ways to share this link, but two of the best ways are creating a small website and writing reviews, or sharing and promoting on social media. Every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get paid a commission. Commission fees can range greatly, typically between 5 and 50% from each sale. It takes time and effort to get things prepared and working with affiliate marketing, but when you get it right, it can be a great way to earn ongoing residual income, earning money for you night and day, even while you sleep or go on holiday.